Grandpa, I had a bad day. I couldn't finish my drawing, and I think my friend Mia is upset with me. Everything feels wrong.
Oh, my little star, even the darkest night has twinkling stars. Let me tell you a story about the magic of positivity. Once upon a time, in a vast and beautiful garden, two tiny seeds lay side by side in the soil. The first seed said, "I want to grow into a big, strong tree. I will reach for the sun, drink the rain, and spread my branches wide to give shade and joy to everyone." And so, with every drop of rain and every ray of sunshine, it grew taller, stronger, and happier. Birds sang on its branches, children played in its shade, and it became a magnificent tree. But the second seed was different. It whispered, "What if the rain is too harsh? What if the wind knocks me over? What if I don't grow at all? I think I'll just stay here, safe in the soil." And so, it never sprouted, never grew, and never saw the beauty of the world above. Grandpa pauses, looking at Lily with a warm smile. "Oh, you see, my dear, the world gives us sunshine and storms, but it's how we think that makes the difference." The first seed believed in growth, and it flourished. The second seed let fear stop it, and it never got to see the wonders of life.
So, if I believe in good things will happen?
That's right. Positivity helps you grow, just like the first seed. Even when things seem tough, if you believe in yourself and keep going, you'll bloom beautifully.
Smiling, then tomorrow, I'll finish my drawing and talk to Mia. Maybe everything will be okay.
That's my little star. And remember, no matter what, you will always have the power to grow. Grandpa kisses Lily's forehead as she closes her eyes, drifting into dreams filled with tall trees and endless sunshine.